Hello my beautiful people, nimetamaji dawa. So finally, it's no longer a bot, it's an AI. After 70 something trials, coding, failing, never giving up, finally it is here. Now this time round, I told you I'm back and we are doing things bigger and better. So hakuna msemo mwenye ashaifanya kenye nimefanya, na I'm the happiest man ever, because putting your mind into something and finally achieving it, like, hiyo ni dope tena sana. So guys, so what makes this AI special? First of all, kuna traps zenye bookmakers who set. Sawa. So the normal predator haiwezi ona hiyo traps. Na hii AI haina filter ya trap moja, haina mbili, haina tatu, haina tano, haina 10, haina 15, haina 20, iko na 30 trap filters. So feed in data, automatically it identifies the trap. Sawa, wacha nionyeshe for example. Boom, ndio hiyo. Unaona? Bookmaker trap detected. Sawa, and then haikuachia hapo, inakupatia recommendation because it is an AI. Inakupea recommendation on what to do. Sawa. So this time round sikuongeza filters peke yake, niliongea even volatility index. Hii manze inasaidia kukupatia even better and 99% accuracy. Sawa. So and then on top of that niongeza something else. So let me show you. Niliwaambia this time round hatuingii market bora kuingia, tunaingia na mpango. Sawa. So it has a red bar, a green bar and a yellow bar. Sawa. But unaona merani data imelea green bar, which means is the most safest. Sawa. It is most safest, and apart from that kuna kitu ina kumbia go for it bigger. So maybe if had staking plan, unaambiwa sasa wacha uoga, and that's hii emoji ya hii soccer ball. Sawa, inakuonyesha this is the most safest bet ever. Sawa. So sio kubet to bora to bet, sio kubet bora to bet. So guys, here is the AI made by yours truly Majid. Yeah, I'm such a happy person. Na you know what to do. Ukitaji vote, DM, we talk, and from there let's continue winning together. I'll see you.